Designed by the ingenious Alejandro de Tomaso, who would later achieve fame in the world of sports cars, the Benelli six-cylinder engine came in two variants, the 750cc and the 900cc. In particular, the 750cc model holds the esteemed distinction of being the world's first production six-cylinder motorcycle. Taking inspiration from the Honda CB550 engine, the design ingeniously involved adding two cylinders to the end. This innovative approach resulted in a powerhouse that delivered an impressive 76 horsepower at 9,000 RPM, propelling the motorcycle to a top speed of 127 miles per hour or 205 kilometers per hour.